It's time for Brainy Bites. Why do we hiccup? Have you ever wondered why we hiccup? It's because our brains are trying to tell our bodies to breathe in and out really fast, but it's not very good at it. So instead of breathing, we get the hiccups. And it's totally normal. It happens to all of us. Sometimes it can even help us, like when we're babies. Hiccups help our lungs develop. And as we get older, they can help clear out our sinuses. So next time you get the hiccups, just remember, it's your brain trying to help you breathe. How do ants find food? Ants use their antennae to smell food. When an ant finds food, they leave a little scent trail behind, so other ants know the way. But if there's a big gust of wind, the scent trail can get blown away. So what do ants do then? They send out more ants to scout for food.